Okay, so today I'm reviewing this diamond at James Allen. It's a lab-graded diamond, 1.42 carat oval cut. Let's look at the super zoom. This looks like a very nice, very symmetrical cut. Definitely can't see any inclusions that would be visible to the naked eye. This is super zoomed in. You know, there's a couple of tiny ones here, but no way would you be able to see those inclusions once it's set, or even loose like this. It's a very nice cut. So let's see what this diamond looks like on the AGS Cut guidelines chart. Now, for me to work out where it sits on that chart, I've got to know the angle of the pavilion as well as the crown angle. Now, those numbers are not included on the IGI diamond report, but I can work them out. I've got this calculator that I've devised, which helps me work out the angle of the pavilion and crown angle. And then I can use those numbers and look at the AGS Cut guideline chart for this size diamond. So this is a chart for an oval cut diamond with 8 main pavilions. That's a pattern that you can see here. It's got these two. When you're looking at it from the side, you can see there will be two facets looking like just like that, and that's what we use super zoom for. So you can see that those two facets, they kind of show here, and that's how I know this is an 8 mains pavilion diamond, because there are other types. There's 4 mains pavilion and also six, both of which do occur, but most oval cut diamonds I come across are 8 mains pavilion. Alright, so where was I? Okay, looking at the angle, 35.6 and 41.6 in this chart. So it's for an 8 mains pavilion with a 60% table. Now the diamond in question has a 59.5% table, which is pretty close, and that's the only chart we have anyway, so that'll have to do. The length to width ratio is 1.35 and on the chart, and the actual diamond we're looking at has a length to width ratio of 1.37. Again, that's as close as we get. So yeah, I'm just showing you all that, so you can see that all the measurements are fairly close to the ones on this chart. Alright, so let's look at the angle here. 35.6, that's right about here. So I just got to follow this down, and 41.66, that's right here, 41.6. Right, so this is a field of ones, so anything within this range is most likely going to be graded 1, according to the American Gem Society, which has one of the strictest and most accurate grading systems devised, which is why I like to use it. Yeah, look, you can sometimes find an oval cut diamond that falls within the 0 ideal cut grade range according to AGS standards. It's not that common. I don't often come across those diamonds, but one is good. The price was is listed as a $3,300 diamond. So, do we have any other diamonds at James Allen that can compare? Well, if I look at the diamonds from F to D with a clarity grade of VS2 through VVS2, and with a maximum price of $3,400, and also carat ranges 1.4 to 1.5 carat. Well, I get one result. This lowly diamond here, the only one that turns up. Looks like a nice diamond. Let's check the super zoom. There's a tiny inclusion in the table, but no way would you be able to see that with the unaided eye. Girdle looks good, not too thick, not too thin. Looks like it's also an 8 mains pavilion cut. So all in all, this looks very nice. It's a good diamond. How does it fare in comparison to the first diamond we looked at? Well, I've entered in all those same numbers into my little calculator here. I'll just double check that I got this right. Nope, that's the wrong one. Okay, I haven't done it yet. Alright, so let me enter them in now. 8.83, 6.45, 5, 0.616, 3.97, crown, pavilion depth, 0.43. Okay. Now I did look this up earlier and found it to be AGS Cut grade of 2, which I will show you now. It's the same chart because it's also a 1.37 length to width. Length to width ratio. Sorry, I'm just double checking I'm looking at the right one. Yep. Okay. 8.83, yeah, this is the one. So it's an AGS cut grade of 2, according to this chart. I'll just show you that. 35.86. That's right about here. And 40.69. 40.69, so that's about here. So it lands right within this area of the AGS Cut guideline chart. A field of 2s. It's not really close to a 1 or a 0, so looks like 2 is the likely grade it would receive from AGS, were it to be graded by them. Yeah, so this is the only diamond that can compete with the first one we looked at, and it's not quite as high performance according to AGS Cut guidelines. I don't think there's a huge difference between the two, really, to be honest. They both look like really nice choices. But yeah, there you go. That's how I check the quality of diamonds using both the the diamond grading report that's been issued by IGI and the AGS Cut grade scales. I I hope that helps.